Well, he's climbing. He hasn't done that in a while. You didn't go very high, Miracle. Hey, there's another tree. What? You want to skip over that? No? Okay. Well, I guess that's something. That's something, ain't it, Miracle? Yeah. I guess it's maybe part of getting older that he doesn't like to climb as much as he used to. I mean, he loved to climb. He'd go from tree to tree. In the summer, I thought it was because it was hot. And he did start to climb, once it got a little cooler, but it's just like now. It's just like, he just doesn't do it as often. Anyway, that's okay, Miracles. You can do whatever you like. It's fine. I just like to see you with a lot of enthusiasm climbing the tree. Oh, what's made you fussy, Miracle? What's made him fussy? Yeah, there's been a lot of tomcat activity around here, and he's, aware of it. So, yeah, he says, I don't like knowing there's other toms on my territory, do you, Miracle? Come on, let's go this way. Let's go to the tree bridge. Yeah. Okay, we're making the turn to go deeper into the woods. Yeah. But he's got to stop. He's got some cat business. Yes, he does. Oh, I hear chickens. Somewhere like way back there, like right behind, like say where these big trees are. There's a big field, and I've looked at it on the Google Maps, and it's a huge field. There's maybe a few trees, and then you go back that way. There are some houses, and so I can hear they have chickens and ducks, and I can hear them back there. Huh. Sure is walking slow today. Yeah, slow. Now, he used to be so interested in this tree bridge up here. That's why I call it the tree bridge. And when that was first there, he was very interested in that, but I guess it's got old. You want to climb, Miracle? That was enough. Look here, here's your bridge. No, he's going back. Not interested. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone.